In nature, protection is instinct, guiding parents to guard what matters most.
Birds protect their young by watching, waiting, and staying near the nest.
Penguins protect their young by standing together, sharing warmth and safety.
Nature's way of protection is quiet, patient, and guided by love.
Even crocodiles stay close, guarding their babies during fragile beginnings.
Deer protect their babies by hiding them and standing guard nearby. Bear mothers lead their cubs carefully, always staying between them and danger.
Monkeys protect their babies by keeping them close and never letting go.